breaking updates now coming in. Arvind Kejriwal's plea had been taken up in the High Court. Big setback for the Delhi Chief Minister. There's no relief for Arvind Kejriwal. That's the update coming in. Big setback for the Delhi Chief Minister after the ED had approached the Delhi High Court. The Delhi Chief Minister is going to remain in jail. So the Enforcement Directorate's plea seeking a stay on his release has been allowed, with the court stating that this court has decided that the trial court judge did not appreciate the material documents on record. The Delhi High Court has allowed the agency's plea seeking a stay on the trial court's order granting bail to Kejriwal in the excise policy case, which means that Arvind Kejriwal will remain in jail. Big updates coming in. My colleagues Priyank and Bhavtosh are joining us on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. The High Court has said that Arvind Kejriwal will remain in jail. Take us to what happened in court.
Well, Pratibha, we don't have the order, but there were certain very important observation made by the judge, Dr. Jain, while pronouncing the order in an open court. He, in fact, questioned the trial court judge, Nyay Bindu, and he said that why did the Justice Nyay Bindu said that she can't go through thousands of pages of document when she, in fact, was hearing an bail application of Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, one of the points of consternation was the fact that she, in fact, had said in the 29-page order that she had passed was that ED had, in fact, given her thousands of pages of document, and within 2 days she can't, in fact, go through those documents. The High Court has also said that the question of personal liberty does not arise as far as this case is concerned, because Arvind Kejriwal was released by a coordinated bench on interim bail so that he can campaign in the election. So that point of personal liberty has also been rejected by the High Court. The High Court also went to say that Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju in the trial court had said that he should have been given due time to, in fact, present all the arguments in the trial court. The High Court Justice Jain had also said that this point should also have been appreciated by the trial court. Pratibha Jain, in fact, Dr. Jain has, in fact, said the manner in which this entire bail was given is something that should have been questioned. But having said that, we don't have the order copy. There was, in fact, an oral observation that we made, and subsequently the Enforcement Directorate's application has now been upheld or has been accepted by the Delhi High Court. What it means is that Arvind Kejriwal will remain in jail. Now, tomorrow the Supreme Court will be hearing the Enforcement Directorate as well as Arvind Kejriwal's counsel. So that becomes infructuous as far as this matter is concerned. His bail, his regular bail, will be coming up before the Delhi High Court in July.
All right. I request you to stay on with us, Bhavtosh. We have Amit Malviya, BJP's IT cell chief, joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Amit Malviya, it's a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi High Court saying that the court has decided the trial court judge did not appreciate the material documents on record.
Well, we all know that the trial court judge made it a point to mention that she has not found the time to go through the voluminous document that the ED had produced. Given that, and in light of the crime that has been committed, it is only appropriate that Arvind Kejriwal stays in jail, because as the Chief Minister of Delhi, as somebody who presided over the cabinet that decided on the policy that led to a huge loss to the exchequer, Arvind Kejriwal remains in a position to influence the evidence and the investigation. Therefore, the ED has made its argument, the High Court has found merit in it, and has stayed the trial court's judgment to give Arvind Kejriwal bail. I'm glad that justice is being done. We cannot normalize corruption as a society, and this is a fine example of that.
Okay, but Mr. Malviya, you had pointed out in your tweet as well that the court also admitted that it has not gone through all the documents, but the trial court had also made some very, very scathing observations on the Enforcement Directorate, including saying that they have not been able to prove a direct link with Arvind Kejriwal.
Look, I do not want to contradict the court, but the higher judiciary, both the High Court and the Supreme Court, on different occasions have acknowledged money trail, have acknowledged kickback, have acknowledged political funding. So I will leave it at that. It is for the agencies and the documents on hand to prove it. If the trial court judge did not find the time to go through those documents, I don't think anyone else can be held responsible for it. But given that the matter has been heard by the Supreme Court in the past and the High Court as well, it is only appropriate that Arvind Kejriwal continues to be in jail, because given his position, he will and is in a position to influence the investigation and the evidences.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us. In fact, Priyank is also joining us. Priyank, tomorrow the matter would come up in the Supreme Court. Over to you.
What were the observations?
कैमरा बंद कर दिया, कैमरा बंद कर दिया, किसने बंद कर दिया?
We are trying to tell him to, come out of the car so that Pratibha, we can get a detailed sound bite from the. It was a big case for the enforcement directorate. He was representing ED, and after the adverse order which came from the lower court, it is certainly a big win for the legal team. Let's listen to what he's saying. बाहर निकल रहे यार पीछे कर ले भाई तो पीछे कैमरा पीछे कर ले ना अरे पीछे कर ले यार आपको भैया अरे कुछ नहीं आ रहा यार पीछे कर ले भाई बाहर कैमरा खड़ा प्लीज कैमरा खड़ा
So what is the observation made by the High Court bench on your application?
Several observations made. One regarding
What about the section 45 of PMLA?
not been considered properly. The High Court has appreciated our arguments and has stayed order of bail in favor of Kejriwal.
Observation made by the High Court bench on your application.
There are several observations made. One regarding section 45.
Section 45
45 having not been considered properly, and other is that the papers which are submitted have not been perused by the court. That's it, please. क्या कर रहे हो आप?
Okay, हो गया,
बार
आइए सर, आइए।
नहीं बार चलो आगे जाओ आप थे ना।
Priyank will come back to you for that update. So it's a setback for Arvind Kejriwal, although tomorrow his plea is going to come up, is likely to come up in the Supreme Court. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel had approached the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court had said, let's wait for the High Court order to come out. Priyank is joining us on the broadcast. Priyank, the Supreme Court will take up the matter tomorrow, it's likely, because the top court had said, let the High Court decide, after which we will take up the plea.
Yes, Pratibha, the legal implications, the legal hurdle for Arvind Kejriwal to step out from the jail is still continuing, because after the relief which came out from the lower court where the vacation bench granted him regular bail, the enforcement directorate was quick enough to move to the High Court, and after 2 to 3 days, when the Supreme Court said that the order should come out by day after tomorrow, today was the time when the High Court had decided. This is going to have a big political ramification with the politics of Delhi is concerned, knowing the fact that Delhi has been struggling with the severe water crisis. There have been several issues which should have been, the file should have been cleared by the Chief Minister of the state. But since Arvind Kejriwal is adamant that he will continue to remain the Chief Minister and he's not going to give any legal authority to any other party leader who can sign the files, this is creating a big trouble. Yesterday also, the Council of Ministers from the Aam Aadmi Party, along with the Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh, met the Lieutenant Governor, and the water crisis issue was, spoken in detail, and the LG has also assured that proper action will be taken, and they will be also talking to Haryana. But the order which has just come out from the High Court is not only a trouble for Arvind Kejriwal also, but it is also a big trouble for all those people in the national capital, because time and again what Times Now has been reporting that there is a severe water crisis. The blame game continues in between the centre and the state, where the state is saying that Haryana is not releasing water, and there are several other also important issues which need to be addressed by the Chief Minister, and unfortunately for people of Delhi. The Delhi CM will have to stay inside the jail, and that is going to be a big hurdle for all the developmental, all the necessary action which should have been taken by the Chief Minister of the state.
Okay, all right. So Arvind Kejriwal is going to remain in jail. There's no relief for him. But Bhavtosh, the Aam Aadmi Party had claimed vindication based on what the trial court had said, including saying that there's no direct link that has been established with Arvind Kejriwal. The High Court has said in as many words that the trial court did not go into the documents, all the documents that were provided by the Enforcement Directorate in the case.
Pratibha, there are 2 or 3 important issues here. One of the issues that was raised by the Enforcement Directorate was that it was not given enough opportunity or time to present its arguments before the trial court. Remember, one of the provisions of Section 45 of PMLA is that the prosecuting agency here, ED, has to be allowed to present its argument. That was not done, and from beginning, that's from Friday morning onwards, ED's argument in the High Court was that it was not given enough opportunity. Now, as far as the order of the trial court is concerned, Judge Nyay Bindu, she had said that she could not go through thousands of pages of documents. Now, this was a point of contention or a lot of consternation between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party had maintained that ED has this habit of always, bringing out thousands of pages of documents since the investigation has been going on for 2 years. ED's argument has been that since the probe has been going for such a long time, they have no option but to present all the documents before the court. Now, the Justice Jain, while in fact arguing, while giving his order in the court, what he has said is that when the trial court had said that she does not have time to go through these documents, that was not done. Now, but we have to wait for the High Court order as to what grounds the court had found fault in the trial court order, because it's some very important and pertinent points were raised by the High Court while accepting the ED's plea. There would be obviously some political slugfest between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, because BJP was in fact questioning not only Aam Aadmi Party but also has in fact raised fingers at the trial court, which in fact gave regular bail to Arvind Kejriwal. So one has to wait for the High Court order before in fact saying what was the reason why ED's plea has been accepted by the High Court.
Okay, all right. So in Arvind Kejriwal's bail matter, the order says that the observation by the trial court that voluminous material cannot be considered is totally unjustified, and it shows that the trial court has not applied its mind to the material. We have a reaction coming in from the SG, Raju, on the matter. Listen in.
Put the stay on the trial court order. What do you want to say, sir, on this, sir?
It's a well-considered judgment. Effects or the part of the judgment of the vacation judge of the trial court, which pointed out those fallacious and incorrect and contrary to the several judgments of the court. It seems to have been
Thank you, sir. Court has put the stay on the trial court order. What do you want to say, sir, on this, sir?
It's a well-considered judgment, and the effects or the part of the judgment of the vacation judge of the trial court, which pointed out those
saying that the Chief Minister's personal liberty has not been curtailed. In fact, the court has gone on to say that all the documents were not gone through by the trial court. Priyank, this gives further ammunition to what the BJP has been saying as well. The BJP has been asking what was the hurry in giving Arvind Kejriwal bail. Now the High Court has said that the trial court has not applied its mind to the material and that sufficient time was not given to the Enforcement Directorate to make its case.
See, during the argument, both the sides extensively argued regarding that whether this stay should have been there or not. The application of the enforcement decree stating stay on the lower court order was very important for the for both the legal side. While dictating the order today, Honorable Judge has also quoted about several order copy from the Supreme Court, and in the end, he stated that the lower court has not applied its mind by just saying that they don't have time to go through these voluminous documents, which should have been given importance before giving such a order from the lower court, because this is going to could have had a very big larger implication on the arrest of other individuals also, Pratibha, because everyone has been arrested in the same ECIR. If one accused gets bail, who is certainly, according to enforcement decree, is capable of influencing those witnesses and the investigation, then certainly this could have had a big ramification. Now, what is going to happen that the Supreme Court is will be approached by the Aam Aadmi Party. We know that there is an order which is already pending regarding the legality of the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal or not. But summarizing this point, certainly the hope from Aam Aadmi Party that Arvind Kejriwal could have come out from bail after the High Court could have given the order in favor of them. This is not happening.